Hi guys, in today's video we are going to create a one-page website that will look like this. When a user clicks the menu, the page will be scrolled down to the desired section. So, how to create a site like this? If you are new to this channel, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon. Without further ado, let's get into the video. To create one, we are going to use Elementor and the Astra theme. So, let's install and activate them. If you are familiar with these, you can skip to the next section. Go to Plugins, Add New, search for Elementor. Install and activate this plugin. Now, let's install Astra. Go to Appearance, Themes, and click Add New. Search for Astra and install the theme. Once installed, activate it. Now, let's import a Premade site. To import, we need a plugin called Starter Templates. Go ahead and download it. Once the plugin is active, go to Appearance, Starter Templates, choose your favorite one. Click Import Complete Site. Enter the details or click Skip. So, now the site has been imported. Let's view it. This is the site we imported. Click Edit with Elementor. To create a one-page site, we have to assign a CSS ID to each section. Click 6 dots at the top of each section and click Advanced. Under CSS ID, enter a name that resembles your menu. For example, when you click Home, you will be taken to the section. So, enter Home. Do this for all the sections. Make sure to add dash instead of space. Once done, click Update. Now, let's create a menu. Go to Appearance and click Menus. Now, click Create a new menu. Enter a name for it and click Create Menu. On the menu items, click Custom Links. Under URL, enter the CSS ID that you entered before. Make sure to add hash in front of it. Enter a link text and click Add to Menu. Link text is nothing but the name that will be displayed on the menu to everyone. These are case sensitive, so CSS ID on the Elementor and here should exactly match. Do this for all the CSS ID. Once everything's done, click Save Menu. Now, let's view the site. So, when I click the menu, it automatically scrolls down to the desired section. If you have any doubts in this, you can ask me in the comments down below. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe and make sure to hit the bell icon. That's it guys, thanks for watching.